This is Christopher Taylor from Calabar High School. You're watching Pree Dis.
Now in this week's sports feature, let's hear about boys champ 400-meter relay winner Christopher Taylor.
Good strong run here, but Jamaica is going to hold up with this one, it looks. No!
What a run, but Christopher Taylor is turning it on now. He's not going to allow Barbados to win easy. What a run here, he allowed him to go. And it takes him...
Champs 2016, what would you say was the highlight for you?
Well, the highlight for me at Champs 2016 is me running the 4x4 against a national junior record holder for the country, and everyone was expecting that to be a big race, and it was.
How did you prepare for Champs?
Well, coming up to Champs, I was just keeping focus, keep hydrating and training hard and train my body to do as much as I'm going to do at Champs. So I don't overwork or underwork, I just train for the max at Champs. Well, the 4x4 was the most challenging race for me because going out there, they did not predict Calabar to come first. They predicted Kingston College, right? And also, they had a stronger team than us going into the championship. So I was looking out for the competition. I set my mind for the competition, so it was the most challenging race.
What form are you in at Calabar and what are you studying?
I'm in fourth form. I'm studying in the sciences.
The turn, and Christopher Taylor has destroyed them, and he is flying coming down the lane. 5 meters clear, 6 meters clear. He's looking like a gazelle, a cheetah. Taylor crosses the line. Yes. 20.78, a new record. What an incredible kid. He said.
Well, after I finish school, I want to be a professional athlete, a back manager, or a physiotherapist. I'm from St. Catherine, Yerton, where Asava came from. Well, the preparation for Caribvision is just like Champs, knowing that it's just a week after Champs, so I just have to take that week off and rest, and then go to Caribvision and do my best for my country.
Born Martin James Norman Riley in West Kingston in 1947, singer Jimmy Riley began his career as a member of the Sensations and later the Uniques. He recorded as a solo artiste for producer Bunny Lee in the late 1960s, and in the 1970s he scored hits with Tell the Youths the Truth, Naya Bingi, and Clean Up the Streets.
Clean up the streets so we can be free to walk.
He struck gold in the early 1980s, working with Sly and Robbie on hits, including Love and Devotion. And My Woman's Love.
Just the only true tonight, my woman's love.
After relocating to Miami, he returned to the charts in 1992 with Lafayette. In 2008, he teamed up with his son, reggae singer Tarrus Riley, for the hit single Pull Up Selector.
That's all. No need no war. Man and woman apart. Everyone is a star. Like King Alpha and Mama Mika. That's all. The people's church. Yes, it's where everyone's gathering. Need no bothering. I just love.
Jimmy Riley released 13 studio albums, his latest being 2013's Contradiction, which features Taurus, Sizzler, and Phantom Moja. Jimmy Riley died from cancer on March 23, 2016. We are indeed proud to salute the musical accomplishments of singer Jimmy Riley and highlight his career achievements as our Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
Now it's that time of the show where we check out which songs made the Magnum Top 10 chart.
Them poor, me tell you this. You know fi bad and hungry. You know fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that way. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were have a rich gal in the Hamptons, boy. The bush never made in the champion, boy. Now, man, I do my songsters, boy.
Hey, boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause I
my might have give up, but no give up on me. One more chance, don't show it all away.
Yes, you looking so fine. Me now waste time and you me come for. You mix up the fast with the slow. About the champion jockey, champion jockey, champion jockey. Look at me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in the box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now. Cause man see them true colors. Yeah, that's why we lose never. Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone the rich, 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 real rich, 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 so rich, 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 real rich, 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 rich. Stand on my name. Left from Twitter, I'm a Ghana Insta. Couple more years, me the Prime Minister. You don't know what Tanto, ask your sister.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show. Check out more highlights from Bacchanal Beach Jouvert.
Go back. Go forward. Back. What's next, Jamaica?